3D character painting typically refers to the process of digitally painting textures onto a 3D model of a character. This process is an integral part of the 3D modeling and animation pipeline. Here's a brief overview of how it works. 1. Modeling. First, the 3D character is created using specialized software such as Blender, Maya, 3ds Max, or ZBrush. The model is typically created by manipulating vertices, edges, and faces to form the desired shape. 2. UV mapping. Once the 3D model is created, it needs to be unwrapped or UV mapped. This process involves flattening the 3D model into 2D space, creating a UV map that represents how textures will be applied to the model's surface. 3. Texturing. After UV mapping, the 3D artist creates or acquires texture maps that define the surface appearance of the character. These texture maps include color diffuse, specular highlight, normal, surface detail, and sometimes other maps for features like subsurface, scattering, or ambient occlusion. 4. Painting. Using software like Adobe Photoshop, Substance Painter, or Mari, the artist digitally paints directly onto the UV map, adding colors, details, and effects to the character's surface. This process allows for intricate and realistic textures to be applied to the model. 5. Shading and rendering. Once the textures are painted onto the model, they are applied to the 3D model in the rendering software. The shading and lighting setup within the software help to enhance the realism of the character's appearance. The final step involves rendering the character to create still images or animations. Overall, 3D character painting is a crucial step in the creation of lifelike and visually appealing characters for use in various media, including animation, video games, films, and virtual reality experiences.